Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to stop ChatGPT using my data. That's right, ChatGPT takes the questions you ask it and teaches the other AI to, helps it teach it to be a better AI, which, if you don't like it at all, then you probably don't want to share that knowledge with them. Last week we did cover how to create a shortcut on your Android phone. If you want to check that out, there's a link down below for that. Now I'm going to start this series on ChatGPT because I think it's very important to understand it and how to use it. And especially since they default to letting it take all your information and share it with everybody else, we're going to show you how to turn that off on here. I'm going to show you how to do it on the website on my laptop. And you have to be signed into the account. So you don't have to pay account. You just have to be signed into your account. And if you do that, then that's when it starts sharing the data. Actually, I think it shares it even when you're not signed in, but there's no option on the website to turn it off. But there is an option on the app, and I'll show you how to do that after I show you how to do it on the actual website. So before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps out our channel. Also hit the subscribe notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We come out every Thursday, and make sure you keep checking back every Thursday. I'm going to show you something new at least. All right. I'll have a link down below for the article on this because I always write an article before I do the video. So make sure you check down below for some links that will be very helpful to you. All right, let's get started. So what do we need to do first? Since we're on Windows, we're going to go to chatgpt.com, and that's right here. And I'm already signed into my account, so it will have like login up at the top right. Just click on it, log in. If you're to do this part, you have to be signed into it. So when you go down here, you can down to the left, you're going to see your name. You're going to click on that, and it's going to open this menu right here. That's your profile name. Then you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, it's going to open up the general tab. We don't want the general tab. We're looking for how to stop this thing from sharing that data. So you're going to look down the list, the left menu, and you're going to look for data controls. And you're going to click on that. And then here you go. The very top one is what we're looking for. You can mess around with this other stuff, but right now we're learning how to stop it from sharing my information. So improve the model for everyone. I have it off, but if you click on that, it shows you this. The one that's normally on is this top one. It says improve the model for everyone. Allow your content to be used to train our models, which, you see, that's what they want to do, which makes ChatGPT better for you and everyone who uses it. They like to make it sound really nice that we're not taking your information. They're always taking your information. We take steps to protect your privacy, so you can learn about that there. But make sure this is off. Usually it's on, which is blue. That's when it's on. And I don't want it on. So you're going to click on that. It shuts it off. So it also deletes these options down here. You can't do anything with these. I'm not going to go over that. But this is where you shut off the sharing. It's defaulted on. So make sure you go in here and turn that off. Then when you're done, you're done. That's how easy it is to do when you're on your chatgpt.com. Very simple. You're signed in. But if you're not signed in and you're just using it, you have no choice. It's going to take it if you're on the website. But the mobile app, you can stop it even if you're not signed in from taking your information. So I'm going to show you how to do that next. So we're going to switch over to my phone, which is the Motorola Edge Android phone. I'm going to show you how to stop it from doing it on there when you're not even signed in. Okay, now I'm on my Motorola Edge Android phone and the ChatGPT's app I have right here. So you want to open that. It's going to open up. I'm not going to ask anything. I didn't log in, so I could show you how this works. So what you want to do when you get on the app itself and you're not logged in, you want to go to the top left and tap on those two lines and look down here for your settings, which is great right here. Tap on that. And there it is right there. Did not realize that was there. You can actually, it's on your app at all times when you're not in it. So you just tap on that and it turns it off. I like how it just goes away though. I'm going to go back to settings. Yeah, it's off now. See? Now it's not taking information if I'm not logged in on the app. It doesn't do that on the website. I don't know why, but it won't let you do it there that I can find. But you can do it on here. And just like we did on I'll sign into my account and show you how to do it on here too. Since we're here, I do it with Google because that's how I like to do my stuff. Okay, so it's going to open up. I'm going to say continue as that guy. Okay, I'm going to log in. And then when I log in, it's the same way it was on the website. It's the same process. So you're going to go to actually go up to here. Tap those lines, and you're going to go to your profile down here at the bottom. Tap on that, and then it's just going to pull this up, and then you're going to scroll. I'm going to find it here. You're going to go to, there's general like we had before, and it's right here, data controls. Tap on that, And same thing, it's right here at the top. You just tap on that, turn it off and on. So that's how you do it. So when you're logged in and when you're logged off on your phone, you can still turn that feature off so you don't have it share your information. That's how easy it is to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. But that's how you stop ChatGPT from using your data. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.